Why do 90% of cats act like they own the place? Because they totally do. Especially this clever kitty. This fluffy genius has figured out how to open doors, sneak into cabinets, and even turn on the lights. No joke, this cat is like a furry Houdini. Just wait till you see the trick with the treat jar. Spoiler alert, the treats don't stand a chance. Watch closely as she uses her paws like little hands, and you'll be amazed by her cleverness. They say cats have 9 lives, but this one's got 9 brains. Share this video if you think your pet could learn a trick or two. Don't forget to subscribe for more pawsome adventures.